Hello guys, and welcome back to Working with Numbers but part 2. So today we will be learning about a little bit more advanced math. So let's get started. So why I said it was advanced is because this requires an import from math import. So I've probably told you that this is multiplication, but you can use this to import everything from math. So for example, print. Oh my god. SQRT 1. So SQRT will I don't know exactly, but it's from this import. So I mean it does something. So and another thing is, so SQRT means square root. I've just realized again. So let me teach you about floor, and this will like it will just like send something. I don't know. And example for minus, I don't think it will send anything because I mean it's floor. Let's try decimals, for example. So that also does not work. So let me show you about something better. Seal. So seal is basically something that uses decimals for something. So this is 4, right? But if I add any decimal number, it will print it out to the next number. Oh my god, what's up with Replit again? Oh, there we go. 5. And there's 5 now. So no matter what type of decimal, if I even do this, it will print out a 5. Let me change it up a bit, for example, so that you understand. And then it should print out 4. Yep, even for this really small decimal, it prints out 4, and that's what seal is. And that is everything in math. So I will see you in the next video, and goodbye, fam.